Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if some particular application isn't working on your Xiaomi TV. So the easiest way to resolve this issue is by restarting your device. The quickest way to do this on any Xiaomi TV, no matter which OS or layout it uses, is to turn it off with your remote control and then unplug it from the cable and leave it like this for about a minute, and then just plug your cable, your TV cable, back into the outlet and let your device switch on again. Let's give it a moment. And once your TV is restarted, try to relaunch your problematic application and see if it works for you right now. And if it's still not working, then let's go to the settings. I'm not sure how to do this in your particular layout, but most often you have to navigate to the gear icon on your screen, then select Apps menu or Applications, and here select your Manage Installed Applications or Installed Apps. Here you'll find all the apps you have installed on your TV. Now, in order to fix this issue, select this app and clear its cache by choosing the respective option, and after that try relaunching this application. If this didn't help, then try clearing the application's data by selecting the respective option, and then launch the application once again and see if it works for you. And if it's still not helping, then just try to reinstall this application by selecting Uninstall in the same settings menu. Click Confirm. Then you're gonna have to go to the apps store. In my case, it's actually called this way. If you're using an F Pro TV series, in your case it's the same, but if you're using the Google TV or the Apple TV or the Patchwall, then it's either Google Play Store or just apps. And now find this application by selecting the search bar and input the application's name, then select it in the Play Store, and then download it once again. Wait until the application is installed, and after that, once the application is installed, just try running it once again. And at this point, your problem should be resolved. Let's just wait until the app is installed, then open it right from the same menu. And yeah, hopefully right now everything is working well for you. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.